Hi there, I'm Jack. Welcome to our humble abode. It's a small place, but it does the trick for us. Me and my girlfriend, we live here with two cats, a boy called Max and a girl called Xena. Before we got the Aimicat, we generally just used your normal litter boxes that you find in any household. With having two cats, we have to have obviously two separate litter boxes as well. So, as I said, we only have a small apartment, so it would take up quite a lot of space. With us both having very busy jobs and a busy lifestyle, we would have to try and find time to fit cleaning both of those litter boxes every night. After a long day at work, the last thing I wanted to do really was to rake through his litter box to try and find all of the little presents that Max had left for me. Also, another big problem with having two cats, it means two amounts of business. Using the Aimicat has been great. It's really freed up time in our daily routine, so we have more time to ourselves, I guess. Since we started using the Aimicat, when I come back from work, we don't get that aroma of the cat litter anymore. It seems to really filter out the smells. My girlfriend was a little bit skeptical that when it's running through the night that it would wake us up, but so far we've got full sleep. We're great. It's been super convenient. I mean, we don't have to worry about anything anymore. As soon as they jump in, they use it, they do their business, and then they jump out. It just does its thing, it cleans, and it means that cleaning the litter box is now completely in the back of our minds. Every time we look in, it's just a clean box of litter. I think one of the big problems for all cat owners is when you're buying technology for cats, you want to make sure that it's safe and they also like it. With the Aimicat, this wasn't an issue. As soon as we set it up, Max ran straight in there and got comfortable. Xena is a super curious cat, so whilst it was spinning around, she tried jumping in, but luckily because it's got the sensor at the back, it automatically stopped and it was all safe. So obviously it cleans the cat litter itself, but when you want to refill the litter, it's super simple. All you got to do is press the button twice on the side, and then it dumps out all of the litter into the tray, and you just take that out and you're good to go. I can definitely say it's probably been the easiest litter cleaning experience I've ever had. I think for our cats' lives as well, it's also improved because now they never have to wait for a clean litter box. Inside the litter box, it's a shaded area, it's very secluded, so I think most cats like to be, by themselves when they're doing their stuff. I think in general, just having a cleaner litter has really improved their lifestyle as well. They seem to be much more relaxed, and I'd say generally most cats don't like sharing a litter box, but with the Aimicat, because it's cleaned so regularly, it's kind of feeling like their own litter box. Since we got it, we haven't had to refill our litter and replace our litter as often because it filters it so well, and it saves us a lot of money, I guess, on litter. And I mean, at the end of the day, you also don't have to go in there yourself and scoop out all of the business that they've been doing. And at the end of the day, you just pick the whole bag up and throw it away. When we do want to clean it, we just have to lift at the top and wash it down. Super simple. No, I don't think I could go back to the regular litter box. After using this, it's just made our life so much simpler and easier.